Hey guys, Knife Detector here, and this is going to be a very fast video because I don't have a lot of time. First of all, I want to thank all of my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Appreciate you very much. God bless you guys. Want to let you know that in my channel, I usually make videos on vintage knives. But if there's something about a knife that really strikes me as interesting, then I go ahead and I pop on it, right? So I saw this Gerber knife, and I saw this about a month ago on eBay for about $17, I believe, or $15, and I couldn't resist. And I do like the color green. It's a Gerber, and the thing I like about it is this pouch I saw. See, I also have a Gerber Gator, and I couldn't find a pouch for it. I found out that the pouch for a vintage Gerber Gator is running for like 20 bucks on eBay by itself. So I thought to myself, that pouch looks like it would have fit my Gerber Gator just perfectly. And I think it will. But I wanted to do a quick review on this bad boy. The stats on this knife are as follows. The weight is 5.8 ounces, stainless steel. 7 CR17 MOV steel blade. Textured rubber handle. Partially serrated blade. Lanyard hole. Sheath with belt loop. And it's dishwasher safe, guys. Okay, so let's see what this is like. I don't have very much time, but we're going to take this trusty knife. This is one of my elephant toe sunfish type knives, and this is a German knife, but it's a Frost made in Germany knife. So let's see if we can open this up without damaging it. Okay, so there we go. Cut that piece off. Is that enough to open it? Let's see. Near. Let's see if we can get it in here. You know they make these things childproof. Okay. It's very hard for a large man-child like me to open it. Let's cut another piece off here without trying to damage. They make these things really hard to open, guys. All right, let's see if that did it. See if we can get in here. Yep, that did it. All right. Let's check out the sheath first. It's a nylon sheath. Not a huge fan of nylon sheaths, but I do like the ones that are horizontal carry. It's got some Velcro. Not fantastic Velcro. And this looks like it would fit my Gerber Gator, as well as this knife. But check this out, though. This sheath has a unique feature. It's got reflective. It's got reflective material on it. I think that's really handy, especially when you're working outside and it's getting dark. This reflective material could save your life. So I think that's pretty cool. Or if you happen to have a flat tire out in the dark. But let's continue, right? Let's pull the knife out. Let's see what's in here. It's like early Christmas, guys. Okay. So first thing I'm noticing is that this is a thick steel blade. It comes with this little guard here to keep people like me from cutting themselves. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to cast this to the side. We're going to do a quick unboxing here, guys. Okay. There it is. It's got a serial number. We got 2 thumb studs, ambidextrous knife. We got jimping right here. The rubber handle feels real solid. It kind of reminds me of the Bear Grylls knives, which I think also are Gerber, so that makes sense, right? It's got Gerber right there. Textured handle. Does it glow in the dark? No, it does not glow in the dark. Okay, no problem. It didn't advertise that it did. And this is a lockback design. So let's press that in. Close it smoothly. Little rough to open, not very smooth. It's not spring loaded. Okay. Check that out. It's got a lock that keeps you from pressing in the lock, the button, the spring right here. This lock makes you keep it in locked form, so it's locked open. So by moving this lock, and this is pretty unique, I haven't seen this very often, by pushing this lock, or ever really, you can't press in the spring. I've seen other variations of this, but not quite like this. So you have to unlock it. Now you can go ahead and open and close it, right? So this definitely meets all the criteria for not being a switchblade, because it is a genuine lockback knife. So other than that, I just wanted to show you that, guys. This is just a quick unboxing, quick review. I hope you guys are having a fantastic work week. The weekend is almost here, brothers. Hang tight. It is coming. Until then, this is Knife Detector signing off, saying God bless you. And stay sharp, my friends.